Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Here we can say number 1 is write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. That does not have does not does not have a reciprocal. Here you see, if we write the reciprocal of 0, it will be 1 by 0, that is not defined or undefined. 1 by 0 is undefined. Therefore, 0 is a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Number 2 is the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. That is 1. 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Their reciprocals. You see, 1. The reciprocal of 1, if I write 1 as 1 by 1, 1 by 1, then the reciprocal of 1 by 1 is same as 1 by 1. Therefore, they both are equal. And the reciprocal of minus 1, if you can, minus 1 can be written as 1 by 1, minus 1 by 1. Therefore, the reciprocal of minus 1 by 1 is also minus 1. Both are same. Here in this case also, the reciprocal is same. The reciprocal of 1 by 1 is 1 by 1 or 1, same as that. And the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1, right? Therefore, you can say that 1 and minus 1 are the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Number 3. Number 3 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. That is, 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. That is, 0 is the rational number. 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 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative, to its negative. Right? Again, repeating the question, write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. That 0 is a rational number that does not have a reciprocal because we cannot write 1 by 0 and 1 by 0 is not defined. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. 1 and minus 1 are the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals, right? And number 3, the rational number that is equal to its negative. 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.